Yeah, how's it
Bring
going?
boy the keys to the back door. Big car.
You gotta get in the back door?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll be right there.
Just throw it or something.
Alright, hell yeah, dog. Hell yeah. What'd you think of?
Since we changed this deck, I didn't try to jump the remote like I just did mine to see if your remote wire is hooked up wrong, radio or something.
No shit.
To kick your amp on and make it know that there's power to the ignition.
Bro, alright, dude, I'm down for anything to get my speakers going, you know what I'm saying? Hey, dude.
Come out here.
Yeah, I'll be right there. Hey, I want you to know I appreciate everything like you're doing to help me out, dude.
I got you.
Alright, hell yeah, dog.
You help me out, bro, so I can't help you, bro.
Alright, I'll be right out with that clean ass. Alright, peace.
You know, there's certain things in life that can get you down. Obstacles that you gotta get around. And welcome to the struggle. Now figure that shit out. I'm feeling down and out in this rat race. Play my speakers on loud, but ain't no sounds coming out. For fuck's sakes. Like, man, what happened to the bass? I promised to my little brother after he had died to make the trunk in my ride shake. So when my speakers bang, yo, that's in your loving memory, bro. Like a part of me is missing without my stereo system. It sounds dumb, but it's true. In loving memory, Edgar Andreas Cantu. I'm feeling down, and it's just my love. You know I put my speakers on loud, but there ain't no bass coming out of my trunk. What the fuck, song in a funk without my thumps? Song like a slam dunk. I want to turn my volume up on loud, but there just ain't no fucking bass coming out. Nah, I don't like the way it sounds. I don't like the way it sounds. I will put my radio on loud, but there ain't no fucking bass coming out. Nah, I don't like the way that it sounds. Yo, I'm feeling just a little bit down. It's just my luck. Yeah, that's my luck. I play my speakers on loud, but there ain't no bass coming out of my trunk. Play my speakers on loud, but there ain't no bass coming out of my trunk. What the fuck? Stuck in a funk without my thumps. Sunk like a slam dunk. I want to turn my volume up on loud. There ain't no motherfucking bass coming out. No bass. Feeling down. It's just my luck. I would put my speakers on loud, but there ain't no bass coming out of my trunk. What the fuck? Stuck in a funk without my thumps. Sunk like a slam dunk. I wanna turn my volume up on loud, but shit, there just ain't no motherfucking bass coming out. And I don't like the way that sounds. You gotta understand, music, my music, other music, it's everything to me. Hey, what up, boy? So hey, you remember when my speakers weren't kicking and I was all down and out about it and shit? And then you helped me get them going and such. And remember, I went back into the room and I was like, yeah, I gotta go have a word with Mike. So I was gonna go to the microphone. I kind of started a song. Okay, and then you remember you called me because you needed to get in the door or something like that. And I was like, oh yeah, or something. And you wanted to jump the remote or some shit. And I was like, all right, I'll be right out. Okay, so when you called me, I had to give you a heads up about this. When you called me, I was in the middle of a recording thing. And it worked out as like a perfect intro to the song, right? And but I want to give you a heads up. I'm using that phone call. It's pretty fucking dope. I'm using it as an intro to the song, just so that you know before I put it out there. But it's almost done. I have a lot of editing to do, but
yeah, I was just writing because I was down and out because the speakers were out. But them fuckers sound pretty good now, don't they, boy? Yeah, you sound like I just woke your ass up. All right, I'm sorry, dog. I'm gonna let you go. But hey, when I finish the song, I'm gonna put it out on YouTube and everything. I'm gonna send you a link. You gotta check it out. All right. Hey, you take it easy, all right, Chris? All right, I'll see you in Galveston, dog. All right, signing out. Fathom Kid. All right, peace out, bud.